Hi everybody, this is BhupinaTube. Today I want to give you another tip of how to find very cheap flights using Google Flights. After getting to this website, you first select the airport you want to fly from. In this example, it's Manchester. And then let's say you want to fly to Milan in Italy. You can select all the airports. And then you want to fly on 3rd and come back on 5th. Then click done and gives you the price. As you can see, the cheapest is £129. But how can we really make this cheaper? The trick is in here, this price graph. Click there and you can see the bar is really very high for some reason on the 3rd of January. So what you got to do, you can see here the bars are very low in here. So if you select a 2-day trip on Thursday the 23rd of January, it's really cheap. So by selecting this, you made it really cheap. And then you can increase the length of your flight by pressing the plus button. So pressing once didn't change the cost, so you can keep pressing, and you can see if you press to a 5-day trip, the price has gone up. So if you keep pressing and pressing, you can bring it back down to £20, which is a 7-day trip. And I think flights to Europe, the cheapest you can get is £20, and this is a bargain. So once you're done, you can close that. So it shows you £20, and then you can select that flight, select the return flight, and gives you that this is a typical cost for that flight. In this way, you can really book very cheap flights using Google Flights. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below, and I would be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.